Microcomputer. A computer designed for individual use. The term microcomputer was used to differentiate it from larger types like mini-computers. It can refer to desktops, laptops, or workstations. Uses a microprocessor as the CPU. Microcomputers became popular in the 1970s and 1980s when computer components became small enough to fit on a desk. They are used in homes, schools, and small businesses. Examples: desktop PCs, laptops, tablets. Personal computer, PC. A small, inexpensive computer for individual users. Built using microprocessor technology, CPU on one chip. Used for word processing, publishing, accounting, games, and internet browsing. PCs can be linked together in a network. Common operating systems: Windows, macOS, Linux. Common components: monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and storage. PCs are the most common type of computer today. Workstation. A powerful computer used for professional work like software development, engineering, and graphic design. Has high-quality graphics, large memory, and fast processing speed. Can be standalone or network-connected. Workstations are often used by engineers, architects, and video editors. They handle 3D graphics, CAD, computer-aided design, and scientific analysis. Examples: HPZ Workstation, Dell Precision, Apple Mac Studio. Laptop. A portable PC for mobile use. Combines screen, keyboard, battery, and system unit in one device. Powered by rechargeable batteries or AC adapter. Commonly used for students, office workers, and travelers. Laptops vary in power, from basic notebooks to high-end gaming or business laptops. Examples: MacBook, Asus ZenBook, Lenovo ThinkPad. Mini computer. Smaller than a mainframe but larger than a microcomputer. Supports multiple users and multitasking. Used for business, industrial, and scientific applications.
Desktop computer. The desktop computer, a staple of modern work and life, has a fascinating history that chronicles decades of technological innovation and cultural change. Its journey began long before the computers we know today. Origins and early developments. Back in the middle of the 20th century, computers filled entire rooms, mostly for big businesses or the government. A computer on your desk? That felt like science fiction then. The idea for computers we could keep on our desks didn't really take root before the 1960s. Even then, the 1970s helped nurture it. Machines like the IBM 360 showed what was possible. However, they weren't quite the personal computers we know today. The dawn of the personal computer. Back in 1965, something new arrived: Program 101. People could actually buy this. It's often called one of the earliest personal computers. About the size of a standard typewriter, it had everything you needed right there, a keyboard alongside its own printer. From that point on, things started changing quickly. In the year of 1975, when the Altair 8800 appeared, setting off something big. People began to recognize it as the initial personal computer, drawing in those fascinated by tinkering alongside professional engineers. Because of the Altair, figures such as Bill Gates, but also Paul Allen emerged. They crafted the basic language specifically for this machine. The rise of tech giants. In 1976, Apple entered the scene with the Apple I, a single circuit board computer, which needed other peripherals to operate. This was followed by the Apple II a year later, which was a huge commercial success as one of the first mass-produced personal computers. And in 1981, IBM really changed things with their new PC. It used an Intel 8088 microprocessor running at 4.77 megahertz together with Microsoft's MS-DOS. Consequently, this computer became the blueprint for desktops everywhere, inspiring countless copies. As a result, both software creation and compatible components flourished, accelerating tech development. Evolution into the modern era. The history of the development of desktop computer to the modern period is a phenomenal path with a lot of fast-changing technological growth and an increasing accessibility. Since the first mainframes and room-sized machines, this development has incorporated a lot of innovation and a turn toward the user-friendly design. In the present, and today, Desktop computers have evolved into powerful machines used for everything from creative work to gaming and scientific research. They're designed with cutting-edge multi-core processors, vast storage capacities, and sleek displays. Yet their fundamental purpose remains the same: to empower individuals with computational power at their desks.
What is a laptop? A laptop is a type of microcomputer that is portable and easy to carry. It combines the screen, keyboard, storage, and battery in one single unit. Unlike a desktop computer, a laptop does not need to stay plugged into a power source all the time because it has a rechargeable battery. This makes it very useful for students, teachers, office workers, and travelers. Modern laptops are light, slim, and powerful. Many laptops can run all the same programs that a desktop computer can. They're often used by people who need to work or study in different places. How is a laptop different from a desktop computer? Laptops and desktops differ in their portability, power consumption, and upgradability. Laptops are portable and consume less power compared to desktops. However, they lack upgradability as most of their components are soldered onto the motherboard. Common uses: education. Students use laptops for online classes, doing homework, researching, and making presentations. Office work. Employees use laptops for writing documents, creating spreadsheets, and communicating through emails and video calls. Entertainment. People watch movies, listen to music, or play games on their laptops. Business. Many professionals use laptops for meetings, project planning, and remote work. Limitations. Limited upgrades. It is hard to change or replace parts like the processor or graphics card. Battery life. The battery can only last a few hours depending on how it's used. Overheating. Laptops can get hot when used for heavy tasks like gaming or video editing. Cost. Laptops with higher performance can be expensive compared to desktops.
A smartphone is a type of mobile phone that has advanced features similar to a computer. Unlike regular cell phones that can only make calls and send text messages, smartphones can connect to the internet, run various applications, apps, take high-quality photos and videos, and perform many other tasks. Smartphones have touch screens that let you control everything by tapping or swiping. They also come with built-in tools like GPS for navigation, Bluetooth for connecting to other devices, and sensors that help detect motion and light. People use smartphones not just for communication but also for entertainment, online learning, business, and social media. Example: the iPhone 15 by Apple and the Samsung Galaxy S24 are examples of smartphones. You can use them to browse the internet, take pictures, watch videos, send emails, play games, and even attend online classes through apps like Zoom or Google Meet. A smartwatch is a type of wearable device that looks like a regular wristwatch, but has advanced technological features similar to a smartphone. It connects to your phone through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and allows you to perform various tasks without needing to take out your phone. Smartwatches can show notifications, text messages, calls, and app alerts. They can also track health and fitness, such as heart rate, steps, sleep, and even blood oxygen levels. Many smartwatches have touch screens, voice assistants, and customizable watch faces. Example: the Apple Watch Series 9 is a popular example of a smartwatch. It allows users to receive messages, answer calls, track workouts, monitor heart rate, and even use Siri all from their wrist.
Here is the Matrix.